everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete the project and clear the cache on CapCut apps. Now, let's get started. First, open your CapCut apps and then for delete the project, it's so pretty simple. So you just click on the three dots icon in here, and after this, in here you just click on delete and then click on delete. Okay, is that for delete the project, and then for the clear the cache, it's so pretty simple again. So you just click on the setting icon at the top, and after this in here you can swipe down until you can see clear cache, and then click on it, and then after this in here you just click on the OK and finish. So that how to delete the project and clear the cache on CapCut apps. I hope you found this video to be helpful. If you enjoy with the content, please consider like, comment, and subscribe down below. Bye bye.